Hi there, I'm Scherer from Enlightened Organizing in Canmore, Alberta. We've just completed a nice garage project where we've installed a number of our Steadyracks. Steadyrack is a great vertical bike storage product, and I just wanted to show you the different types that there are. There are three types that we often use. One is called the Classic. The Classic has it can hold bike tires up to 2.3 inches in width, so really many mountain bikes, even road bikes, hybrid bikes, those would be great on the Steadyrack. The racks fold left and right so you can get at your bike nice and easily, and the beauty of this is you just have to get your bike on the back wheel and you just roll it in. And so there's no lifting, there's nothing involved in doing it that way. The mountain bike rack is exactly the same. It's a little wider. It holds bike tires up to 2.8 inches in width, so we can get some beefier bike tires. The plus size tires will fit in here as well. So once again, you can pivot the Steadyrack left and right. You can then move your bike in and out as you need to, and then you can be off. Coming back, basically, that's all you have to do is get it up on its back tire, and then you just roll it in. So you can roll it in on an angle, you can roll it in perpendicular, however you like. The pivot point at the bottom helps prevent the tires from sliding out. And then the biggest one is called the Fat Tire Rack. Fat tire biking is very popular nowadays, so we need a mechanism to hold that. And these Fat Tire Racks hold tire width up to 5 inches in width. So they're really fantastic for your fat tire bike. So once again, Fat Tire bike gets up on its back wheel like that, and you just roll it into place, and you are all set. So anybody that's got a lot of bikes knows they're very difficult to store, but with the Steadyrack system, it makes it so much nicer and allows you to store a ton of different bikes. Last point I'll make is we had stud spacing here of 24 inches, so we're basically putting all the bikes at about the same level depending on the type of bike. If you have a 16-inch spacing of studs, they would be staggered. So your bikes would be staggered so that they could collapse into one another quite nicely. So that's a summary of the Steadyrack product. Hope you like it. Have a good day.